Don't worry, the TS400 GPS smartwatch comes with a link removal tool, also known as a spring pin tool, right in the box. You can use it to easily adjust the band length yourself. Simply line up the tool with the small hole marked by the arrow and gently push. The pin will slide out, allowing you to remove the link. For a better fit and a balanced look, make sure to remove the same number of links from the other side of the band. One thing to keep in mind when putting the pin back in, always insert it from the direction opposite to where you pushed it out. This follows the original arrow direction and ensures a secure fit.